how to set up to work a pattern in a ring. So I'm actually doing a workshop soon, so this is one of my patterns. However, this will work with any pattern in a ring. This is a bangle that I managed to get cheap off one of those exclusive websites from China. You get them in multi-packs, they all come in different colours. There's nothing special about it, and it will work for any size ring that you want to do. This one is slightly bigger than the pattern itself, however, it doesn't make any difference. So what I tend to do is I will be working along the black line. This was the original size I was going to do, but that's fine, no problem. You pin your pattern onto your pillow as you would normally. Pop your ring on the top, so it is, I've got mine equally spaced, but it should be around about the same size depending on what pattern you're doing. And then all of these pins, these glass-headed pins, I have put on the inside of the ring, slanting outwards. So they all slant outwards, and the pin head is just resting on the bangle. This will stop it from moving too much when you're working your pattern. I know there's been a little bit of discussion on some of the forums I've been on lately on how to do this. If you find it does move too much, you can add extra pins. Try and put them where you don't have to work, because they get in the way and you'll just be annoyed with them. However, put them wherever you need them to go. I've left this one at the top here because this is my starting point. However, I'm not going to actually use this pin. It's just showing me where to hang the first pairs, and I'm going to actually attach them to the metal ring to start with. So this is just a 2mm crochet hook, just a normal standard crochet hook, because I am using Purlay 5, which is quite a thick thread. Please use a crochet hook suitable for your thread, unless it's very, very tiny. You don't have to use the really tiny ones. However, this is how to attach your bobbins to your bangle. So we're going to attach them to this point here. So literally you're just making a sewing onto the ring. So this hook goes underneath. It grabs hold of that thread, pulls it up. Now I'm going to be attaching 2 pairs to make a plait here. Get that over there. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lie them either side of that pin. So they are now either side of the pin, underneath the bangle, still on the crochet hook. I'm going to add the next pair over the top, like so. And then with this one, you just make a sew-in. So one of that pair of bobbins goes through that loop. And just put it where you need it to be. Like I said, if things move a little bit, just push your pins down, put some more in if you need to. If you put on these ones, the ones that weren't tied on, you will make that bigger. However, you just pull them back into line. And that is how you start adding a ring or a bangle to any of your patterns.